Hey there, future meme coin millionaire. Welcome to the channel where we turn memes into dreams. Today, we're diving deep into the wild, wacky, and sometimes downright ridiculous world of meme coin trading. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking to sharpen your skills, this is the ultimate guide to meme coin trading strategies for beginners. And guess what? We're going all in. This video is packed with so much value, so grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's turn those Dogecoins into gold coins. Alright, before we start trading, let's break it down. What even are meme coins? Well, they're cryptocurrencies that started as jokes or internet memes. Think Dogecoin with the Shiba Inu dog or Shiba Inu with, well, another Shiba Inu. But here's the kicker, some of these jokes have made people millions. Yeah, you heard that right. But don't get too excited yet, meme coins are highly volatile. One day you're riding the moon, the next you're crying over a crashed portfolio. So, let's learn how to play this game smart. Now, you might be thinking, why should I even bother with meme coins? They're just memes, right? Wrong. Meme coins are like the lottery of crypto, low entry cost, huge potential rewards. But here's the thing, you gotta know what you're doing. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, meme coins are driven by hype, community, and sometimes Elon Musk's tweets. That means they can skyrocket overnight or crash just as fast. So, if you're ready to ride the wave, let's talk strategy. First rule of meme coin trading, do your research. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me, this is where the pros separate themselves from the noobs. Start by checking out the coin's website, white paper, if they even have one, and social media presence. Look for a strong, active community because in the meme coin world, the community is the backbone. If the coin's Twitter account is just a bunch of moon emojis and no substance, that's a red flag. Also, check the team behind the project. Are they legit, or are they just anonymous memolords? Do your own research, my friend. It's your first line of defense. Alright, let's talk about the hype train. Meme coins thrive on hype. When a coin starts trending on Twitter, Reddit, or TikTok, that's your signal to pay attention. But here's the trick, you gotta get in early. Once the hype peaks, it's usually too late. So, how do you spot the next big thing? Follow crypto influencers, but don't blindly trust them, join meme coin communities, and keep an eye on trending hashtags. And remember, timing is everything. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Here's a golden rule, don't put all your eggs in one meme basket. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across a few different meme coins to minimize risk. Maybe throw some into Dogecoin, some into Shiba Inu, and maybe a little into that new coin that's blowing up on Reddit. That way, if one coin crashes, you're not completely wiped out. Think of it like this, you're building a meme coin army, and each coin is a soldier. The more soldiers you have, the better your chances of winning the battle. Listen up, because this is crucial. Set realistic goals and stick to them. Meme coin trading can be emotional, you see those green candles shooting up, and suddenly you're like, I'm gonna hold forever. But then the market dips, and you're left holding the bag. Don't be that guy. Before you invest, decide on your profit targets and stop-loss limits. And when you hit those targets, cash out. Don't get greedy. Remember, pigs get fat, but hogs get slaughtered. Okay, real talk, the meme coin world is full of scams. Rug pulls, fake projects, and pump and dump schemes are everywhere. So, how do you protect yourself? First, avoid coins with anonymous devs or no clear roadmap. Second, check the liquidity. If a coin has low liquidity, it's easier for the devs to pull the rug. And third, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't fall for the get-rich-quick hype. Stay vigilant, and always trust your gut. Now, let's get a little technical. If you really want to up your meme coin game, learn some basic technical analysis. Look at charts, understand support and resistance levels, and learn to read indicators like RSI and MACD. This will help you make more informed decisions and spot potential entry and exit points. And don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius, there are tons of free resources online to help you get started. Knowledge is power, my friend. The crypto world moves fast, and meme coins move even faster. What's hot today could be dead tomorrow. So, stay updated. Follow crypto news, join Discord groups, and keep an eye on market trends. And most importantly, be ready to adapt. If a coin you're holding starts losing steam, don't be afraid to cut your losses and move on. Flexibility is key in this game. Alright, before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. First, only invest what you can afford to lose. Meme coins are high risk, high reward, so don't bet the farm. Second, don't let FOMO, fear of missing out, drive your decisions. Stay calm, stick to your strategy, and don't chase pumps. And finally, have fun. Meme coin trading is supposed to be exciting, so enjoy the ride. Just remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the memes, the community, and the journey. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to meme coin trading strategies for beginners. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more crypto wisdom. Happy trading!